Bonjour my friends, I'm Frank and welcome to Club Foodie. On our first trip to Seattle together, David and I went out to several different restaurants. To this day, many of them are still our favorites. It's by going out to one of these that we discovered this particular vegetable, and since then it has been my favorite. Here's a lovely recipe for it. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my quick and easy sauteed broccolini. This vegetable has a more subtle taste compared to broccoli. Because of its delicate flavor, broccolini is great with next to nothing added to it. This is an elegant vegetable that I'm sure you'll love to add to your diet. So my friends, let's get cooking.
Here we have broccolini, which is quite similar to broccoli, except it has smaller florets and the stalks are longer and thinner. As I mentioned in the intro, the taste of this Japanese vegetable is more delicate than the traditional broccoli. So what we'll do first is to bring a pot with salted water to a boil, and then we'll immerse the broccolini for 2 minutes. We'll remove from the heat and drain the vegetable immediately in a colander before transferring it to an iced water bath, which stops the cooking process. This technique of quickly boiling, draining, then soaking in iced water is called blanching. So after a couple minutes, we'll retransfer the broccolini to drain while we move on to the stove. In a skillet over medium heat, we'll melt some butter. When it's hot, we'll add lemon zest and pressed garlic. We'll stir the ingredients constantly for 1 minute before pouring in the lemon juice. We'll give another quick stir to blend and then add the blanched broccolini. We'll quickly toss to coat it with the lemon mixture and then season with freshly ground black pepper. If you want to add some salt, go ahead. We'll keep tossing the vegetable just so it eats through, about 1.5 minutes. We're not cooking it, just warming it up, alright? Then we'll serve it right away. And my friends, this is our quick and easy sauteed broccolini. This Japanese vegetable recipe is very simple and yet so flavorful. This is a kind of side dish you want to serve at any elegant dinner. It has great flavors, just enough to complement your main course. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amount and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!